Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to count steps on your Poco phone. It's pretty simple and I'm gonna show you that. So first, press and hold on some free space on your home screen, then go to widgets and then scroll all the way down until you see the app vault steps. Click on add and then you can click on done. Now you can click on setup, agree, and now change the step goal so you can set it to like anything. I'm gonna set it to 13,000 and now you can see it shows me how many steps that have I made out of the 13,000 and also how many calories have I burned. You can also click on set goal to reset it, or details to view detailed data about steps from today, from yesterday, and etc. You can see I don't walk with my phone too often because it just counts if you walk with your phone, but if you have it in the pocket it should work. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.